We're here at Gardner Supply Company headquarters in Burlington, Vermont, right by an area we call Company Farm.
We all came out, a whole bunch of us came out to pick potatoes, or tatties as we call them in Scotland.
All right,
So what we're doing today is harvesting, and then we're going to give all this fabulous produce to those folk in need.
wow, that's a good one.
Gardner Supply has been supporting the gleaning program at the Intervale Center for years. They support us financially. They send employee volunteers every year to glean with us in the field. And every year that I've been here, they've grown potatoes for us at the company farm. And it's been wonderful.
I'm a production worker and I build all the raised beds and light stands that we sell.
We grew 5 beds of red potatoes for our company farm.
We did probably 3 boxes full of cucumbers and maybe a box and a half of tomatoes.
I think it's really important to give back to our community, and this is my way of doing that.
Just the nature of soil in general is that it can compact and compress, so it does take some muscle and some gusto to get deep down in there and make sure you don't miss any of those potatoes.
So the folks that are going to get these potatoes are people in our community, our next door neighbors that don't necessarily have full access to nutritious, delicious, fresh produce.
Why do we volunteer? Because it feels good to give back.
I feel like it's a good company to work for because they give back to the community.
I love the mix of hard work, which we do, and then the fun stuff. So we can come out on a fabulous day for half an hour, 45 minutes, right? Have a laugh and get to meet some people I maybe wouldn't necessarily interact with on a daily basis. And that's pretty cool.